guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jaritza, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to talk to you guys about Influenster, and I'm also going to be reviewing and showing you guys the free products that I received. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. So let's talk about Influenster. So for those of you that don't know what Influenster is, product discovery and review platform for consumers, and it's also a place to discover new products. Just make sure that when you download Influencer, I'm gonna also put a video around here so I can show you guys. You're gonna make a login. You're gonna make sure that you upload your photo, put like your birthday, your personal information, and all that stuff. Make sure that you connect your social media, so like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You're gonna have to take a lot of like reviews and stuff, like skin, makeup, home care, parenting if you have kids, for pets, stuff like that. So yeah, so as long as you follow the directions and you do everything that they ask you to do, you're gonna be fine. And then they usually send you an email, and you get to opt in or opt out if you want it. Like I said, I'm shocked because I know I was gonna get a free box right away, and I think it's been like a month or two that I had the website. So as long as you follow the directions and all that, and if you connect all your social media, you're gonna have a chance to receive free stuff. So let's just get right into the box. Now, I never tried this Carlos Daughter's Wash Day Daylight. I never tried any of these products. I'm gonna like show you guys, and I'm gonna tell you guys my honest review about this product. And over here it says Influencer. It did have a little thing, and I try to take it out, but it does say Influencer. The inside looks like that. So it says 2 transformational products to cut time on wash day: water to foam shampoo, jelly to cream conditioner. It leaves your hair touchably soft. It cleanses without stripping, instant moisture. It lifts away buildup and faster tingling. So it came with that card, and on the back it just tells you what you can do next. So it's just telling you the instructions. So it tells you how to wet your hair, use the pointed tip of the shampoo to target to the scalp, gently massage into a foaming lather, rinse well, apply conditioner, spread through scalp and hair, focusing on the ends, and then just make sure that you rinse that well. Also, it says follow with your favorite Carlos Daughter styling products. And then on the other side, it just tells you what you can do next. It's telling you to log into the Influencer app and check out your Carlos Daughter Voxbox campaign on your profile. Review your product on Influencer, post a video, testimonial, or how-to video showing how you use the product on Instagram or YouTube using hashtag WashDayRemix and tag it at Carlos Daughter. Post a before and after image or image of yourself with the product using hashtag WashDayRemix and tagging at Carlos Daughter. Check your campaign for important instructions regarding disclosure. And I think this is new, so I'm not sure if like this is out there yet, or if I'm like the first one trying it. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I'm not. But Carlos Daughter Wash Day Daylight. It says hair is so clean and surprisingly soft. Love at first wash water to foam shampoo with aloe. No sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, and no artificial colors. So there's the shampoo. And it's liquid, of course. Foam shampoo made with aloe. Our liquid visitor technology acts like a magnet to attract and lift away buildup throughout scalp and hair cleans without leaving hair feeling stripped. Next is the Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner with aloe and is it glycerin? There's the conditioner. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it's kind of like a jelly conditioner. Like really jelly, you guys can see. And it smells so good. Like a mess. I'm just gonna wet my hair, take this stuff out of my hair. Alright, so I took everything out of my hair. And yeah, my hair is still kind of wet, so I'm gonna make a mess. Hair, use pointed tip to target to scalp. Gently massage into the scalp and hair while working lather through mid-lengths to ends. Rinse well. Follow with your favorite Carlos conditioner. Let's do this. Wow, I like this. So good. Look at all this. I am loving this right now. I feel like this is gonna last me a while. And the fact that it has that pointy thing that you can just, point to the scalp and just continue massaging it. This product I would definitely recommend, and if you have tried it, comment down below and let me know what you think. They do also have a pink one. I don't know if it's like the peach or something like that. I don't know, but I'm excited for this one. Now I'm just gonna continue massaging it just a little bit before I rinse it out. Alright, it's time to rinse and I'll be right back. Alright, so I rinsed the shampoo out. Feels like gel for some reason. It says it's gonna be easy to detangle, so I'll let you guys know how this works. My hair is so white. Let's see. But I did finish detangling my hair. My hair feels really soft. Of course, it's really white because of the conditioner. I'm just gonna rinse it off and I'll show you guys my final result, guys. Alright guys, so this is the final look, the final result, without styling, putting anything on my hair. I did rinse the conditioner and it made my hair feel soft. My curls look nice. My hair smells amazing, and to be honest, I really love this. I love how the shampoo is like liquid, so I don't have to worry about it's already done. Like, you can tell that's gonna last me for a long time. And it did clean, like my hairs feel clean, my hair feels amazing, my scalp feels amazing. And I like that the conditioner is kind of like a jelly. The only thing is when you do end up putting a lot, it gets all white and stuff and it's so messy. But to be honest, I love it. Any questions about Influenster or anything, just comment down below so I can be able to help you. Make sure that you download Influenster, connect your social media, upload your personal information, and try to do reviews, answer those questions that I need you to answer. It might be a little while before they send you an email letting you know, if you want them, because you have to opt in or opt out if you would like to receive whichever type of product they want you to try. So the more open and the more honest you are, the more chances you're gonna have to get a free box. So good luck. So that was it for this short video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, that I was able to help you guys with Influencer and with how to get free products from Influenster. Like I said, if you have any questions or if you're confused or if I didn't give you enough information, just comment down below and I will answer your question. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to like and comment down below. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I will see you on my next one. Bye.